Yes, Raymond, that's what we're doing. We're about to do. We're about to go to the military base. So give me 1 second. Oh shit. Oh fuck. Let's pick up the tank, and y'all will be flying into the tank and shoot people. Yeah. Alright guys, for the guys that are new here, what's going on guys? If you haven't already, please drop a like guys, that really helps out, and also subscribe. I have a little goal that we want to get to today, so yeah. John, Brennan, what's going on, Frank? I feel like my signal is healing a little bit. Hell yeah, Alexa, that's fucking awesome. That's what I want to hear. I don't want you sick. I don't want anybody sick. You know, it sucks to be sick. Alright, hold on, I was fixing the stream real quick. What is going on, Michelle? Welcome to the stream. Hopefully, you give me a few minutes, and I'll try to entertain you. Right now, we are going into the military base. We are going to steal a tank, and then we're going to try to take it out of here, and we're going to go try to fuck up all the people. What's going on, Douglas? Alright, here we go. Lester. Douglas from Brazil. What is going on, homie? I feel like we won't get a tank, though. What the fuck? That is not what I needed. Alright, I might just end up buying a tank then, I guess. I don't know. Damn. These dudes already fucked me up, man. I'm going to watch until 3. Damn, that shit turned fast. I was not expecting that fast. Yeah. Damn it, dude, that sucks. Chaos was so happy because I was in his chat. That's funny. Alright, we'll buy a fucking tank. Fuck it. Alright. We're gonna wait for this helicopter. And then we are going to... We're gonna go buy a tank. We're gonna go wait for it to get to our garage where it's supposed to be at. And then we're gonna get this shit started. I don't even know this. You can't get out of the base if you want tank. Oh, yeah, see, I didn't know that, so. No, 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 that was my fucking ride, dude. Do you smoke and drink? I don't. No, I don't smoke and drink. Alright, man, I'll see you later. Not how to spell. No, I do not smoke and drink, Alexa. Tovar over here. It's only Tovar. Alright, we're gonna drive all the way back, and then we're gonna pick up that tank, and we're gonna go fucking smash some people. It sucks. It's such a long drive back. Fuck. I got to go. Alright, Preston. I never caught Prigus before, so. Oh, order the tank, buy the tank and have it sent to me, or what? What is going on, Bozo, man? What's going on, homie? Whew. So, yeah, guys, I don't know. We might go all the way for 24 hours, but I highly doubt it. We're at, like, the 10 hour and 30 minutes mark. We might just go 12 hours, half a day. I'm not quite sure yet. So, I'm not quite sure yet. Damn, guys. I really wish we had more subscribers today, but, I mean, it is what it is. Next week, we'll definitely hit a lot more. I know that for a fact. I'll be streaming a lot next week and recording, so. Plus, I got a lot of recording to get done. I got to edit a lot of videos for today, here all night. Tovar. I'm going to turn off this light. It's already hot. Yes, Frank, I know who you are, buddy. Dying from exhaustion. Blimp or nah? We'll definitely do a blimp, Alexa. I know you want that. I don't know if there's a blimp in the sky at night. Like that's what I was saying. Is like we tried to do that and I couldn't find a fucking blimp. So the all-nighter club. Yeah, if we stay the all-nighter. I do got a road trip tomorrow, buddy. But we are working on half a day of stream right now, so it's pretty cool. But then again, I don't know. I say, like, we might not. But then again, if I go eat, guys, I know I definitely would stay up, so. And then Aaron will be back on tonight, too. So who knows? We might just stay up all night, guys. Like, this is the plan, right? We might end up doing that, so. I just got to end up eating. You have to call first person. When I get in the tank, we'll definitely go first person. I'm sweating. Well, that's nice. Alright, here we go. Alright, here we go. We're going to go into passive mode real quick.